I will be explaining how to set up the Vuebell. Before you begin to install Vuebell, short circuit your indoor chime first. This will make sure Vuebell has enough power supply to power on. Shut off power at the breaker. Remove your old doorbell. Use the drill template to mark the location of drill holes. Then install the back plate on the wall. Attach the wires that protrude out from your wall to Vuebell's power port. After you test that the live stream is working properly, tighten the security screws. How to install the provided indoor chime. Vuebell comes with an indoor chime. It requires 2 AA batteries. Once you insert the batteries, press the ring button of the Vuebell within 30 seconds to connect indoor chime to Vuebell. You can test the connection by ringing the Vuebell. Features: Motion Zone. You can customize the motion detection zone and let the camera focus on the area you desire. Tap the area into blue to activate motion detection. User sharing. Sharing the camera's access to other people without sharing your passcode. Cloud service. Ring cloud recording. When someone presses the ring button, Vuebell begins recording video and then uploads it to the cloud. You can play it back through Netvue app at any time. 24/7 cloud recording. Vuebell will record 24 hours a day, and the cloud allows up to 7 days of video recording. If you have any questions or need any help, you can contact our customer support on live chat or phone call through the Netvue app, or email us at support@netvue.com.